Good morning. It's Tuesday, and I have plans with my one and only friend later. Of course, we're gonna go thrifting together. And Princess is sleeping over there, as you can. Oh, maybe you can't see. Hold on. Oh, you need to see Princess. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There's Princess. And I wanted to do a story time because I was thinking this morning, I don't know what got me thinking to Mexico, and my boyfriend that I had there when I was living there. I lived in Mexico for about 5 months, almost 5 months, and this is like many, many years ago when I was in my 20s, and I wanted to tell you about my beautiful boyfriend that I met while I was living there. And no, he wasn't some slimy cheeseball activities guy. That's another story, okay? There is definitely stories about that. But so while I was down there with my girlfriend, we moved down there. We thought, oh, we're gonna go down there. We love the culture, we love the people, we love the language. She was fluent in Spanish, even though she was Greek. I did not speak Spanish fluently at all. No, not at all. And but I'm pretty good with languages, so I picked it up pretty quickly while I was down there, just conversationally. I still know it like a little bit now, but because I don't use it. If you don't use it, you lose it, dudes. And so we were there, and then we went to, I remember we would go out, and she would be looking for a job in the morning, and I would be looking for a job, and it would be hard because nobody would want to hire us. But I mean, that's, to be expected. It was a small town back then, and it's a lot more westernized now, but back then it was very charming and sweet, and just all the things a small town just I love about. And she ended up getting a job at a hotel, which was amazing because she was bilingual, so that was pretty good for a while. And I ended up getting a job cocktail waitressing at this bar. That's another story. I made zero. Anyways, I'm wondering. And so, look at my hair. Oh my god, I look crazy. I look nuts. Who cares? Don't look. Where's my coffee? Just a random burps and toots if I have any. So we're at this random bar one night, and I look over and there's a bunch of boys, men, hanging out, having beers, and they're all wearing waiters' uniforms, so they're obviously wait staff at a restaurant, but like a fancy restaurant, because it was like white and black. And there's a few fancy restaurants in this town. Back then, there were a few. Now there's a lot more, obviously, but this was one of the original fancy restaurants that has like gates and like the white pillars and all that, and like napkin service and long napkins, and the wait staff were like white and black, very classy. I think it was a seafood restaurant, or was it an Italian restaurant? I can't remember. And I remember sitting at this, I think it was like a bar in the middle of the afternoon with my girlfriend. We're looking over at these like boys are hooting at us and like waving at us and saying hi and come over and stuff, right? And we just looked over, and the really loud ones were really annoying. I have always been attracted to, that's not always true, but generally speaking, I'm attracted to men or boys back then, especially, still now, that are quieter, that aren't loud and need a ton of attention, that aren't overly in your face. Quiet confidence, I find that very attractive. And shyness was like kryptonite to me. I was like, oh, he was so those are legit. I'm getting sick. Allergy sneezes. Anyways, this story's gonna take forever. Part 1. So I look over and all of the boys are like drinking and getting loud and stuff, and we're just laughing and stuff. We didn't really go over. And then I see him. We'll call him A. And he's sitting there, the quietest of all of them, not doing anything, just sitting there having his beer and just smiling at me. Our eyes locked, and I was like, I need to talk to you. He's aggressive. I guess I was the aggressor. Because he wasn't gonna approach me. So I went like this, and I'm like, come here. And he went like this. And then his friends saw, and they were like, yeah, go. Like, pushing him, you know. I don't know if I ended up going over there. I think he was too shy to come over. I think I ended up going over there. God, it's so long ago. I have a horrible memory, so I don't really remember all the details, but we ended up talking and hitting it off, and his English was not bad because he worked in the restaurant, and so he was constantly talking to tourists, and you know, like locals don't go to fancy restaurants like that. Come on. It's very, only the people who are traveling from northern Mexico at the time, who had a little more money, more affluence, the city, Mexico City, like there's very rich people in a lot of different areas of Mexico, but a lot of the people who would come on vacation in the south where I was, they would stay at really nice hotels, like Westerners would stay at, like 5-star hotels, and they would go to really fancy restaurants like this. You can tell they're just different. Just citizens. At the time, that's what it was. And sorry, I'm so snotty. I need to blow my nose. Why am I so gross? At least I used the Kleenex. God, I watch people farmer blow all the time, and it's absolutely repulsive. It's so repulsive that I had to try it, and I tried it, and it was a complete disaster. Like, it went everywhere, and I just like, I don't know how people do it. It's like a skill that I don't have, nor do I want, but it's absolutely repulsive when people do it in public, in front of other people. Gross. When people do it in public, in front of other people. This guy was on his motorcycle, okay? And he was right in front of me, and I'm in a Jeep, so I'm not higher up, and I can see everything he's doing. He like, just like, shot. Like, I really wanted to vomit there. Part 1 story time and lots of burps. Oh my god, this is already 8 minutes. See, I haven't even gotten to the point where we actually got on a date. That'll be part 2. That's how we first met, okay? No, we didn't do anything.